Yay! What's up everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be painting this outer trim. This is a painting I made for a place I used to work for. So first up, I took apart the painting and then we need to sand it down so the paint itself has a better surface to stick to. I'm going to use this spray paint. It says Hercules. Just matte black spray paint.
You broke my heart once again. When you bad, but you bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already lost.
I'm gonna take a knife and cut away all the residue to the side.
Don't mourn, so if you wanna shoot.
Alright. This is how it looks. Tap the sides. And all done. Now the paint on. So as you can see, I've set it up. Put some just white paper, scrap wood, lift it up a little. Now we're gonna paint it. First coat. Second coat. All dry. Let's go inside. Let's fit back the frame. Really satisfied, looking really good. Next up, I'm going to add these two woods to make the picture frame a bit stiffer because it's a bit flimsy. So I'm going to put it down, measure everything up, see that it's level on both sides, and then just mark it with a pencil. That's one. Same with the other one, see that it's flush to the corner, butt it up all the way. And perfect. When my blade and the end of the saw itself is 10.6, I'm going to take that measurement and mark it on the wood. Itself is on 18, so I'll mark it at 28.5. Speed square is life. Square in place, so my saw has a edge to butt against. Everything up and then cut the wood. All cut. Put them in. Yeah, looking good. Really satisfied. Pre-drilled the holes, the screws are flush. Put on these two, and now some paint. Paint is on, as you can see, all the sides are painted. Black are these two. This is where the bolt will go in. Started with this one, as you can see, I started scraping it in. What needs to happen is the bolt needs to get in on the wall and then lock itself here on the small part. So it goes in here and then locks itself. So I need to make room inside the wood, I need to carve it a little. So, just like this, it fits in, then scoots, and the whole weight rests on this. See, it's strong, not going anywhere. Super satisfied, turned out great. All the different edges, the picture frame, everything is sturdy and nice. That's a whole look at everything.